Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. Hope you and your families are staying safe. I'm almost on my last day of isolation after returning from Florida. And I'm keeping busy in the kitchen though. I had an inspiration from an old Submarine sandwich back in the 70s in the town I grew up in, Burlington, Ontario. It was called Sir Pizza, and they had a big sandwich called the Crusader. Well, this is my rendition of it. I think you're going to like it. Let's get to it. I've sliced a nice fresh baguette from the bakery in half. It's 2 feet long. Now I'm going to add a generous amount of pizza sauce or marinara sauce. Just use a spoon to spread it around evenly. And then some shredded Italian cheese on top. You can be generous with this. Next, on the bottom part of our loaf, we'll put 3/4 of a pound of sliced sweet ham, fresh from the deli. And on top of that, some thin sliced onions. On the other side, we'll lay some sliced pepperoni. And on top, hot pickled banana peppers. Be generous with these. And a little sprinkle of cheese, just to hold everything together. And another little dab of sauce on top of the ham. And then a little sprinkle of cheese to hold that all together well. Now remember, I said this is 2 feet long, so depending on the size of your oven, you may have to cut this in half to heat it up. Now look at that, it's looking delicious already. I think I'm going to need an extra set of hands to get this in the oven. And here comes Kelly to the rescue. We flipped the cookie sheet upside down and just steadied it into the oven. And here it goes. Oh boy, it's gonna be delicious. In the oven, 425, only takes about 10 to 12 minutes. And there it is, all nice and melted up. For appearance, slice them up on an angle. Now who wouldn't be happy to see a platter of these coming to the table? Well folks, that was another simple and delicious meal. Easy to make, affordable. I hope you and your family are being safe out there. And don't forget to subscribe to my videos. I put one out every Monday. Just click that little red subscribe button and you'll get notified. And I always appreciate a thumbs up. Anyways, I gotta try my Crusader. Oh. So delicious. And don't let those hot banana peppers scare you off. With the tomato sauce and the cheese, it tames it down and just gives it a nice tang. You're gonna love it. Well, thanks for coming out and watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya. Living life the way I do. Well, if you don't love it, baby, please don't pretend you do.